There we go, that's good enough. All right, stay out of my shot, Luke. Stay out of my shot. Everything will be good, okay? I can't even see this joint. Look at the mess. Down there? Oh, look at all that. Look at all that. If that's too dark or not. We good? We good? We good? Yo, what's good, guys? I got a day off today, so I got some time to actually make some content where I get to get out. You know what I'm saying? It's therapeutic for me to, like, you know, walk the streets, you know what I'm saying, get some shots, get some B-roll. You know, I just love doing it. I hate just getting on foots, wherever, whatever, let's just go. But check this out. Look what I found, though. Been looking for these, man. I think this is like a lot. What does that say? Lot 3? These were dope. I did these a while back. Go check the video. I thought I sold them or lost them or something. I love these though. Oh well.
Passes on the spring ballot, they're going to take all the existing med shops and make them half rec, half med like they do in Manitou.
Okay, I'm down with that.
Cool. How's your day been so far?
Pretty good, pretty good. How about yours?
Cool, pretty good. And today's the 31st, by the way. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm just a phone photographer, but I like...
Me too,
me too. I like taking pictures.
Heck yeah, support
right.
marijuana.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful
Take
day.
care, take care.
You too.
Yep. Recreational cannabis, which I thought was already recreational here, and I don't know. Man, I love being on the streets, man. I don't know what it is. It's just, look, if I was homeless, just give me a camera, like a high-end camera, and I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Probably just get a few more shots and wrap it up. I'll get the drone up too, probably. I haven't got the drone up in a while. See if I still know how to fly that thing, but you know what I'm saying? Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. I don't even know why I'm trying to get so many on-feet shots of these shoes. It's just the plain blue and white Dunk. I do like that they're the vintage joints with the sail bottom. That is dope. I think I'm good. I kind of got saved by this wall right here. This wall has like art for days, you know what I'm saying? Art for days. I love it. I'll probably use it again. I don't want to overuse it, but I'll probably use it again. I'll probably take most of my pictures here for the gram on this one. So again, shout out to the gifter for getting these sneakers to me. I do love them. I do want another pair. I think there's like that green vintage pair, so I'm gonna try to work with them to see if I can get that pair, to see if they're any better, to see if they're any different. I kind of doubt it, but shout out to Sense Apparel too. Sense Apparel sent me the hoodie. They didn't hook it up. I mean, I bought it, but it's a dope hoodie, so I just had to have it. Dang, what are they doing here? What's going on here? Some car confusion going on. We got them trying to back out, and we got these guys trying to back out all at the same time. Yo, should I hop up back there? Should I hop it? Let's go, let's get it. All right, guys, I'm back at the car, and man, it is really bright. I need to get an ND filter on my camera. I don't have one for this particular lens. This is the end of the video. I don't know if I'm gonna get the drone up. Damn it, man, this thing attacked me again. Yo, look at this. Quick little story. I got the drone up too fast. I was too close to it, and it got me. Damn thing got me again, man. Ouch. Why does my blood look like it's black, though? Oh, no. All right, see, what had happened was I was, like, trying to film the drone as I was landing it. I put the control like in my armpit real quick to press the record button on this camera. Cut by the drone, attacked by the drone twice. And it hurts, man, dang. It's kind of nasty too. All right, guys, it's definitely time to end the video. I mean, it don't hurt, but it hurts when it first happens. Dang, man. Things are sharp and dirty. But I'm out, guys. Peace, love, and light. Follow me on IG. Make sure you check out the gifter that sent me these. Discord's coming. I know I keep saying that it's coming. I'm just gonna have to just do it. And check out my TikTok. I don't really post much over there, but just check it out anyway, all right?
Yo, what is good, everybody? We are back with another video, and as you already seen, we got the vintage navy dunk lows, and the dunk low is really popular these days, mostly with the ladies. I see a lot of ladies wearing the dunk lows. I wear the dunk lows. A lot of people wear dunk lows, but these kind of like old school college colors, that's the craziest silica packet I've ever seen. But like these old school college colors, like these navies, and they went ahead and vintage the midsole. I love it. So I was like, you know what? Let me see if this new gifter will send them through, and they did. So shout out to the gifter. Follow me on IG for all that. And the thing that attracted me was this toe box right here. And one of the toe boxes actually looks better than the other. And I'll show you that when I show you the other sneaker. But these are really, really nice sneakers. I mean, it's a really plain shoe, so I'm not going to stay here very long explaining it. I'm just going to go over the details in slow-mo. But I do like them. I'd like to get the green pair. I think the green pair is probably a better colorway, but I do like the kind of muted tone of the navy and that green colorway. That toe box right there is really nice. That was a really nice toe box. You might have to rewind that and go look at that toe box again. The leather on these, it's okay. I've seen better, but you know, you be the judge on that. The tongue to me looks a little bit blue. There's a hint of blue. It's not my filming setup. It's a little blue, so I don't know about that. I've never seen a pair of retails of these at all, so I had to Google the box to make sure the box even looked the same, and the box does. And look at the heel. The heel looks good too, and I seen all this in QC. I was like, send them, I love them. But I mean, it's one of these shoes that you just kind of throw on. I've been wearing them a lot. Like, I beat these up already. The toe box is already way more creased than what you've seen in the on foot. They're creased up, but that's a good thing, right? So looking at these under the black light, you can see there's marks on them. Not much, but there's marks. And when I flip this one over, there is some type of stamp right there. I don't know why they put the stamp right there. I don't know. I don't even know what that stamp says. But that's really it, guys. I can't really sit here and talk about a dunk low the whole time, but I do love you guys. Check out the next video. I got some more kicks coming. And peace and love. One.